I'm currently going to make some congee. I'm doing the century egg with pork congee. My congee is almost done, but I'm gonna add a few more eggs in. So it looks like this, and I'm just gonna cut it up and put it into the congee once it's all done. All right, I am currently sitting on the floor in my closet room because I have so much skincare that I need to sort through because a lot of it I don't need to use right away and it looks really cluttered and I hate clutter. So let's go through all my skincare together. And I figured I just kind of like chit chat with you as I go through it. Also, I already filled this entire bin with claw clips.
I don't know why this became a thing.
But it's like, I'm scared that I'm gonna run out of claw clips. But clearly, I should stop buying them because I have backups upon backups of claw clips. I will say that my favorite are still my fuzzy ones. I use these on the daily, but yeah. Let's go through all the stuff because there's a lot. Before I break anything, let's start with the first one. I think I will begin with, I don't know where to begin. Okay, I feel like things are gonna fall out. Let's do a bin for sheet masks. I have the Biodance sheet mask. Also have these as well, which I am also gonna put in here. Ooh. I am such a hoarder for sheet masks. It's like I need to have so many, and especially these Dr. Jart ones. How do I put this? I'm so Asian that I buy these on sale, but it still hurts every time I use one. So here I am hoarding these and not using it at all. Like literally not using it. I should probably use these. Put it in here. Oh my god. All right, and then I have an assortment of Korean masks, which I should probably go through these. Oh my gosh. I also have these. One more. I use this quite frequently before I do my makeup. It's really affordable and it comes in a pack of 32. So this is my go-to one, but these are great for travel because they're individually packaged. There we go. Bin 1 is done. Next, I think I am going to, I'm trying to think here. I order most of my Korean makeup and skincare off Stylevana. I think the price is really good and you can bulk buy it. This is my Holy Grail Cushion Foundation and I've used this religiously for the past like 2-3 years. I'm normally shade number 3, but in the summer, if I'm a little bit more tanned, then I have number 4 as well. And I have another one. Perfect. There we go. Maybe I'll put my next care. Okay, I'm just gonna do this for now and then move on to my skincare. I have a lot of Ordinary products, so I'm just gonna put all this together. I just cleared out my BTS Blackpink shrine. Fit perfectly. Anyone who loves organization, this is
like the best feeling ever.
So this is the final look of this cabinet. Everything is organized. I have my facials, skincare, makeup products, more skincare, and then I have contact stuff, my claw clips, makeup, sunscreens, and miscellaneous on the bottom.